my brother, this is a dream I have had since I was a young man, of becoming a member of parliament. But God had a plan chakro MCA. And I go MCA na tell you by the one time I think was the first person who chak. Okay. Nze also ke video je anora kumina mimi nilianza mambo ya one time kitambo. Okay. Kwa na campaign nikisema mimi naenda one time nikisonga mbele. Nyaribari Masaba is a constituency very fortunate in the past few years karango kina. Unyoro mwaka professor ngiri no arenge ko gamba. Umugaka Manduku the late. Umugaka Manduku era gamba I think I was in form 1. Mugaka CS Macho ogambira no muchumbo ito. Some of the prominent figures in the mention. Let me tell you, they tend to make example here basari. Do you know Ngeri gave abantu 10,000 shillings as a member of parliament?
Yeah, sure, I remember.
Do you know Macho gave people 10,000 shillings as a member of parliament? Do you know that time the value of money? The current member of parliament, and the Muiso Koram, Kinte Dikumoito on facts one that time will come. Aqua 3,000 shillings. A member of parliament. And the chief is a chair delay proper. Is that not a problem? Posia can go fix Kakamuchumbi. He goes ahead.
I go to use.
CDF gets money like now we get 196 million. No, I don't know. Jena nataka kwa example kwambo lingi ngocha wakoranga umuchumba. Na aro muchumba ne. Wonona ngo randa ko parity bira 16 yagachete. Una chibungalo. Bira sigete yako ate no nyumba yako menya. Otumie 11 million ikirasi kiyagamo. Okay. Take your time. Ane journalist. Ocho ete chisku cha Nyaribari. Ora na mabati ya kurepi. Mabati ya limu gako manga bigete. Mitu manga na gambe tete mugaka bari abakuru. Nyamwe yakagamba. Mugako ngeria mabati ba bigete. Tikeba ni macho acha kabeka chikora bachinyinga kweta chinyinga kile school. Oyo chetari karo chikora kanga kwa kachechi ai. I can give you an example. School ya Mesabisabi, school ya Matibo, school ya Chigobi, Chibuga school ya Masimba, Chibuga installed store buildings. No bachumbe bangete liko yaro gochara akora. Amane konge ya kurusia mabati ama kutuji school chiarororo abe kamai. I've seen mabati yako beko. No meta mabati yako kuchi reject.
Yeah.
And that one I can challenge him in court. Mabati yako beka chibira ibirasi yako akwaga ni reject. Ibadi limerikon with 200 shillings.
Okay.
But I know what he pays out is 1,500. So Manduku na wate problem yae from KPA. He has his history. Tutakutana kwa ground. Mimi natafuta kura zangu. Na yeye anatafuta zake. Lakini ukikaa hivi leo my brother ukiangalia mimi kuja hapa hivi huyu ni mjumbe wa Nyaribari Masaba.